A new light, significant timeline shift, on task with Archangel Azrael, human nature. The day is 36 hours and starts and ends at 3 a.m. or 3 p.m. in an alternating fashion. At the time of this post 12:34 early morning gate, 3D date 51620, the following 3 a.m. will start this new day. Simply follow this parallel around the globe until it hits your local time. Today's date on the Archangelic calendar is Infinity O6B1 Infinity Infinity Q6A4 Q6A4A4 Infinity Infinity G Infinity Infinity B1 TT Infinity. There is more information at archangeliccalendar.com. And please do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Gaia is still in a pure spirit dominant setting despite the efforts of some very misguided individuals. Mother Earth does what she wishes and it is clear that the state that she is in makes darkness very uncomfortable. We had a significant timeline shift occur a little while ago. This one was very different and extremely realized. The cosmic portals that we have purposefully traveled through have manifested in a very profound and purposeful macro timeline emergence, of which we are currently traveling. The effect of that said event administered a timeline shift that was felt by everyone with the ability to feel and will encourage global events to unfold much more rapidly than we are accustomed to. Modern science is starting to map the galactic superhighways, also known as black holes. It is only a matter of time before these highways become an integral part of our modern society. This common knowledge will lead to the ability to visit the parallel worlds, such as the ninth dimensional Earth in the center of our galaxy. The shaman will indicate energy coming in like a burst of light that systematically raises and lowers our vibration at predetermined times. This is an organized effort with many different aspects of divinity working in cooperation. We must remember galactic engineering is most commonly performed through light frequencies, and much like mechanics tools, various tools do various things, and that is exactly what we are currently experiencing in the world of vibration. It is not uncommon to experience various physical symptoms along with these frequencies. There is a new light coming in from a distant galaxy. It will look like a wavy nebula that is full of plasma and should not be confused with the Great Flash. The only reason why we say this is not the Great Flash is that this is too large to be realized from our perspectives, as it will engulf our entire galaxy with ease. This nebula-like plasma wave will be arriving by the end of the 7th season, so roughly 30 archangelic days, and will announce its arrival with a plethora of quantum anomalies. There is a level of non-bias unity needed if the Lightworker Legion is going to thrive, as we are a very eclectic group. Our differences are very important. As a group, we need different abilities to succeed through these challenges that we are to face. Think of any good superhero team, they are all different complements to each other's diversity. There are no prerequisites to being a Lightworker. For that reason, you are going to get a vast array of personalities. Never lose sight of the fact that being your authentic self will come in all different shapes and sizes. It is not humanity's nature to be evil, it is the nature of humanity's oppressors to be evil. Everyone in every profession is united by human nature, and because of this, it is the instinct of the species to survive. This means that you can rest assured that survival intelligence will take over at some point. As we have forewarned, civil unrest is coming, and the people that are being revolted against are the ones behind this movement. Much like every war, the conflict is being funded by the same party. To be clear, we are all for protests, but riots harm people unnecessarily. There will be a point when law enforcement and civilians alike follow the breadcrumbs to the actual issue. Until then, do not harm to your fellow man. Things will not be the same forever. Our nature is change. The nature of all things, including infinitely expanding Creator Source, is change as well. Do not hold too tight to any notion that reality presents, it will not be there for too much longer. Today's tools. Tools will be active until the next post. Use the legend below to help you decipher how to best use today's weapons. Passive equals no intention needed to use or arm. It will work on its own when you accept its presence. All you need to do is give permission and it will work on your behalf. Active equals intention needed to use. Aggressive equals will attack before anything has a chance to do any harm to you, beyond space and time. We have gone through great changes, and thus the weapon-based tools indicated below can be inserted into the ground to call forth downloads. Active, passive, and aggressive anywhere within the universe. The Violet Flame team is in the strongest set of 9 in history. This is a macro force like no other, and their ability to make a change is going to be amazing to watch, to say the least. When evoking the Violet Flame, it is always advised to hold it for at least a 72 count. That being said, the Violet Flame is featuring an element of lavender that becomes peace directly after transmutation. This is an absolutely ideal setting for what we are trying to accomplish. You will notice the change when you evoke the flames. The Violet Flame team is as follows, and is in no particular order: Archangel Jermaine, Archangel Ansil, Archangel Bryathos, Archangel Emmanuel, Archangel Af, Archangel Raguel, Archangel Zadkiel, Archangel Batkol, Archangel Agla, Archangel Gzrael, Archangel Tatrasil, Archangel Orion, Archangel Harahil, Archangel Servil, Archangel Ashma, Archangel Sablo, Archangel Azil, Archangel Abraxos, Archangel Vamil, Archangel Harahel, Archangel Nuril, Archangel Adanchil, Archangel Galizur, Archangel Azil, Archangel Dabril, Archangel Dalkiel, and Archangel Dardaril. Active. Archangel Michael's legendary sword can handle anything, as it is completely omnipotent. No level of consciousness can be achieved that this couldn't slice through. It is also an amazing weapon against electronics and technology, as it can override any circuitry. Passive, active, and aggressive. Archangel Isaac's radiant field looks a lot like Magneto's force field, and it reacts to any life form with either loving energy, or with a transmutational blast of vast power. Passive and aggressive. Archangel Leo's Swords of Plenty is a passive and aggressive attack sword that has a complete will of its own. Do not try to yield at all, you will only get in the way. Equip and go. Active. Archangel Ariel's Wand of Comforts helps you summon any necessity you may have. It is a wonderful and comforting tool when equipped. Passive. Archangel Camile's Headdress gives you an insight into your inner talents and abilities. Set the intention and use it right before meditation, you will not regret it. Passive. Archangel Raziel's Universal Key allows you access to all wisdom, knowledge, and kingdoms. This is a wonderful and wild ride that can take you anywhere. I suggest Archangel Raphael's Study and Archangel Michael's Crystal Pyramid. Passive and active. Archangel Jeremiel's Enhanced Intuition allows the voices of your soul to become louder. It allows the judges of spirit to be more obvious than ever before. Passive, active, and aggressive short range. Archangel Chamuel's Radiant Peace allows you to be secluded in a peaceful bubble, no matter what is happening around you. It also allows those in your heart space the same benefits. Active and passive. Vahumana's Timeline Destroyer is a great reality molder. It can help you actively destroy lower timelines that you do not wish to experience. For example, if the thought of tragedy enters your brain for no reason, use this sword to destroy that timeline so it cannot manifest. Please note the next 3 tools are healing modalities and can be sent remotely to loved ones. Passive and aggressive short range. Archangel Calaziel's Radiant Rays of Health wards off all diseases and illness. It can also aid in the recovery of diseases already inflicted. It can be sent to land masses as well as individual living beings. Passive and aggressive short and long range. Archangel Theliel's Radiant Compassion sends heartfelt love to all within your jurisdictions. This is the nurturing aspect of healing and it has incredible warmth. It is best to yield this with a calm frame of mind. Active. Archangel Raphael's Healing Staff is an omnipotent healing force that works gradually or intensively depending on how you yield it. It is considered the best general healing instrument. Today's assignments. We are still working on a macro level, and thus the format will stay consistent. Please use today's current tools if you need assistance performing the tasks below. Gaia said to bring the fire to those that bringing harm to her natural order. Not so surprisingly, the beings that she is referring to are malevolent star beings who have invaded the earth thousands of years ago. These beings are behind a great deal of human suffering. It is true compassion to stop their insurmountable karmic debt where it is. Archangel Azrael and his 144,000 horsemen have now set their sights on these malevolent star beings occupying the earth. The Lightworker Legion is a part of these beings chosen to lead this charge. Start with an all-out scan for malevolent star beings of all shapes and sizes. You can't miss their very dark grey aura. Once you find them, start with the Violet Flame and then go in with sword and shield. Create as many portals to infinitely expanding creator source as possible. This will ensure we do not get jammed up on the higher dimensions. Be sure to escort any defeated beings into the exit portals before you leave. We do not wish to be dealing with these malevolent star beings for eternity, therefore, we will be engulfing Earth with silver lightning pulses for a 72 count. It electrifies the Earth to ensure the environment is not habitable for malevolent star beings. Today's meditation is called Evoking Divine Consciousness, Prompted Frequency Based Meditation. Please enjoy.